Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials. Check iOS version and available storage so updates won't fail. Once done, determine ownership. Is the app purchased under family sharing or an MDM-managed Apple ID? Make sure you have permission to use a different Apple ID temporarily or contact the device administrator. You're not tunneling around security, you're choosing a legitimate path. Now pick one route: family sharing, MDM push, or using iTunes/Finder on a computer with an Apple ID you control. You now act on the route you chose. For family sharing, sign into the App Store with the organizer's shared account or use Purchased Family to trigger updates. For MDM, contact the administrator and request an update push. They'll deploy the updated IPA or App Store update directly. If using a computer, connect the iPhone, open Finder or iTunes, sign in with a permitted Apple ID, and sync or reinstall the app to update it. Make sure you keep backups before overriding apps. Finish by confirming the app opens and data remained intact. If something changed, restore from your recent backup. If the update fails, sign out of the App Store, restart the device, and retry the chosen update path. Sometimes a simple restart clears cached auth. If you hit permission or purchase restrictions, contact the family organizer, your MDM administrator, or App Store support for resolution. You'll avoid risky workarounds and keep the device secure while resolving ownership or deployment issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.